Alright, let's break down what's just happened between the US and China, because things are heating up again and it's going to affect the whole world. So here's the deal. Less than 3 weeks ago, the US and China signed the Geneva Trade Agreement. It was supposed to calm down the trade war. Both sides promised to cut tariffs for 90 days, and China agreed to drop some retaliatory measures. Basically, they were trying to give peace a chance. But now, President Trump is publicly accusing China of totally violating the agreement. He posted on Truth Social, yes, that's his own platform, complaining that China hasn't kept its word. He ended with, "So much for being Mr. Nice Guy." What's behind this outburst? Well, for starters, US officials say China is dragging its feet on actually removing tariffs and other restrictions. Meanwhile, the US has responded by slapping new bans on high-tech exports to China. Think chip-making software and crucial chemicals. These are choke points meant to squeeze China's tech sector. On the other side, China's not backing down either. They're still limiting exports of rare earth minerals, which are super important for things like smartphones, electric cars, and defense systems. Chinese officials are now accusing the US of abusing export controls and turning the whole thing into a blame game. What does all this mean for you? Well, the US stock market took an immediate hit after Trump's post. The S&P 500 dropped and investors are getting jittery. At the same time, American consumers are slowing down their spending, probably because everyone is waiting to see how this trade fight plays out. Economists are warning that if this escalates, it could shake up not just the US and China, but the global economy. Supply chains, prices, and jobs in many countries could all get affected. So did China really break the deal, or is it just political drama? That's something both sides will keep arguing, but one thing's for sure. The trade war is far from over, and the whole world is watching closely.